Hi there. During this time of the year, the cool temperature can attract a lot of pests who is seeking for food or warmer weather in your house. In this video, I'll show you how to seal the cracks around your house where the unwanted visitor may sneak into. And by the way, I have a very important reminder at the end of the video. So let's dive in. Do you know that pests can go into your house through these tiny cracks? But don't worry, we have the solution for you.
Now the very first step that you have to do is to check all the cracks around the windows, doors, drywall, where the two materials meet between the plumbing pipe versus stucco.
You can easily use one of these caulking materials to seal up these gaps. Now notice that I'm not very skilled in doing this, so if I can do it, you can do it as well. Now sealing cracks is a great start. However, to really keep the pests away from the house, it is important to schedule a regular pest control treatment. Here in Arizona, the pests really like to make themselves at home, especially as the season changes from hot to cold or from cold to hot. That's why scheduling a routine pest control treatment is the key to keep your home pest-free. By staying on top of the regular pest control, you're creating a protective barrier against unwanted guests. Say goodbye to those ants in the kitchen or spider in the closet. So remember, seal cracks around your house and schedule a regular pest control treatment. Those steps will ensure that you will have a pest-free home. Thanks for watching. If you find this video is helpful, feel free to share it with your friends or your family member. And don't forget, I'm here for all of your needs. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. Take care.